Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to buy players on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up the FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device like you normally do and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Marketplace button or the Market button at the bottom. From here, you can browse and buy players from other players around the world. Tap on the search button at the top right and use the search function to narrow down your search for a specific player. You can type in the name of the player you'd like to purchase into the player name text box and search for them by the player's name, position, league, club, and more. After typing in the information, tap on search in order to search for players. You can also browse through the available listings and select the player you'd like to buy. Once you find the player you'd like to purchase, tap on the purchase button on the right corner. Select the quantity of your purchase by tapping the plus button at the bottom and then tap on purchase. Now, tap the confirm button in order to complete your purchase order. Once your purchase order has been confirmed, you'll be able to buy a player and the player will be added to your squad on FIFA Mobile. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.